In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports in Airtable. We'll walk through how to turn the data you already have in Airtable into clear, visual reports using built-in extensions like charts, summaries, and analyst views. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to choose, and how to customize things so your base becomes much easier to understand and share. First, open your Airtable dashboard in your browser and head into the base that contains the data you want to report on. It helps if your table is already somewhat organized with clear field names and consistent data, because your reports will mirror whatever is in your base. At the top of the screen, look for the Tools menu and click it. From the drop-down that appears, choose Extensions. This is the area where Airtable lets you plug in extra capabilities like visualizations and summaries on top of your existing tables. Inside the Extensions panel, click on Add an Extension. You'll see a gallery of different options. Start by finding the chart extension and click Add next to it. Airtable will take a couple of seconds to load this new extension, so just wait for it to appear in the sidebar. Once the chart editor opens, you can customize it. Choose which table and view your chart should pull data from, then pick a chart type like bar, line, or pie. Select the fields you want on your axis, and if needed, apply filters so you only see relevant records. Take a moment to adjust labels and groupings until the chart tells the story you need. When you're happy with it, click Done to save that chart extension. Next, let's add a summary style report. Back in the extensions area, click Add an extension again. This time, click on the option to view all extensions by Airtable and look for the summary extension. Click Add next to summary and wait a moment for it to load. Configure this summary by choosing the table, then selecting which fields you want to aggregate, like totals, averages, minimums, or maximums. This is great for quick at-a-glance metrics, such as total revenue, number of active projects, or average task duration. Once it looks right, click Done to save. Now repeat the process one more time. Click Add an extension, then view all extensions by Airtable, and this time find the Analyst extension. Click Add next to Analyst, wait for it to load, then click Add extension to confirm. Configure it in the way that best highlights patterns in your data, and click Done when you're finished. From here, you can continue exploring other data-related extensions and add more, depending on the kind of reports and insights you're looking for in Airtable.